go. She's gonna say hi to the other dog. Hi, little girl. Are you happy? Look, it's going back in there, isn't it? Or maybe it'll get in its... There. Maybe it'll get in its bed. She wants to play. Give her your ball. There you go.
Go get it.
I don't think she can fetch yet. She's still a little itty bitty baby. Oh, she might help you open your present. Nope, she's not in. There's a toy inside that box, Pearl. Look inside its cage. No, inside the cage. There's a toy in there, I think. Isn't that cute? Maybe she'll play with that. She's playing with my toes.
She
What?
might be on this carpet.
Oh, it's okay. Put your legs together.
She likes to be on the stairs.
Says disc ball. Battery's already going.
Set her up in the chair and put the...
I'll get it all.
That's not your toy.
Hey, be nice. She's just playing. She wants somebody to play with.
I'll get something to play with. You can play with Ralph. She won't play with her
I'm recording this here, Lisa. Would
Okay,
you
great.